Page 195, this is Sonatina in G major at the bottom of the page. This is just a portion of it. Guess we know what key it's in, it just told us. Here we're improvising in a classical style, whatever that is. And they want you to fill in the blanks, I guess. They're giving us the chord progression. So let's just take a look here. It's 2 lines long. Treble bass clef, 1 sharp in the key. We're in G major, you know that already. Okay. 3/4 time with a pickup beat. And for the melody, they give us 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, rest. And they keep going. We have to fill in the blanks on the melody. I'll come back to that. In the left hand, they're giving us the triplets. 1 enda, 2 enda, 1 enda, 2 enda, 3 enda. It's just a broken chord, a 1 chord and a 5 chord in first inversion. That's what the little 6 is for, remember? Oh, okay. So they're giving us the chords underneath and we get to fill that in. Well, with the left hand is simple enough. We're going to do 8th note triplets throughout. All right. What I need to know first is what are these other chords? So we start with a 1 chord, and then a 6 chord in first inversion. Another same thing, back to the 1 chord, and then a 1 chord in first inversion. Well, come up. And now we have a 4 chord. Well, that'd be a C chord. And then they want a 2 chord, well, here, in first inversion. So I'm going from C to just take the top note up. And then they want a 1 chord in second inversion. Well, that would be the D on the bottom. So I went from here to here to here. And then the 5/7 chord, 1. And they say the 5/7 chord is in root position. So, okay, fine. And then a 1. I kind of climbed up. I don't think I want to keep climbing up because in the last measure, they're telling you the melody is here. So I can't be up here, I gotta be down here. So somewhere in there, I gotta come down. Yeah, I'll figure that out later. Now that I sort of know what the chords are, let's go ahead and do this left hand because it's the easy part. We have this. The fingering, it's up to you, just finger it. And this is the 5 first inversion. You got 2 measures of that. Back to the 1 chord. Now we're going to first inversion here. I'm going to come down. I'm going to come down there because I keep going up, so I'm going to come down. It's a 1 chord of first inversion right there. And then a 4 chord, which here, and then a 1 beat of 2/6. Remember that's here, and then the 1 chord in second inversion is here. And then the 5/7 is here. What I tend to want to do there is I just want to play a 5 chord here. But they want the 5/7, which means I got to have the C because that's the 7th. If I don't play the C, it's not a 5/7. So I can do this or this, whichever. I'm going to do the F sharp, and then a 1 chord. Oh, they want it up here. And then 1 chord. Well, they're giving us the 1 chord. Now I need the melody similar to what the first 2 measures are that matches these chords. Well, again, the first full measure. Just keep going. It's a 1 chord again, but which note in the 1 chord? I don't know yet. It's just... That sort of matches it. I'm guessing. I'm not familiar with the Sonatina, but that in my mind that works. And so it's like measure 6. The 4 chord is here. Oh, geez, there. Just 2 beats of that, and then we're going to go up to the A because the 2 chord in 6. That's it. It's like the top note in the chord is what I'm playing here. And then here. That's how I would do it. You might have a slightly different variation of the melody and whatnot. That's great. Go for it. But that's my impression of it.